Jason works in an office. He has a laptop to work, a headphone for the music, and an iPad to check out the latest videos between breaks. Well, this is a secret. Jill plans to go on a work trip as an international working person. She has to pack the same things like Jason, plus some gadgets to pick up some sceneries. Check out these bricks. Well, how can you charge them all without so many of them in your bag? Introducing Taurus 280, a power strip/adapter hybrid with 280 watt output. It's not just an adapter with super output, but also a power strip as well. Jason and Jill can now connect their laptops or iPads through two USB-C ports. The maximum output of 220 watts means they can charge at full speed of whatever he plugs in. The USB-A port supports up to 15 watt fast charging, while the USB-C goes up to 110 watts for any compatible device. What about Jill? Jill can take the upper half off when going out, plug it onto the wall socket to make an instant power station. Camera and drone with dedicated batteries can plug onto the strip to get charged, along with other devices now as well. Both parts have 140 watt output. Altogether, you got 280 watts. Wow. If you stay indoor to work with full power, the 280 is the perfect choice with up to 4 plugs, 4 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports with PD. Want to go out like Jill? Simply grab the upper part and you are free from power anxiety. We optimize the components on the inside to keep the working temperature low enough to be taken anywhere, while keeping the size as small and compact as possible. To drive the power of 280 watts in 100% safety, we have been implementing the circuit and testing under heavy loads, so that you don't need to worry a thing when taking it out with you. Adapter and power strip, 280 watts of output, and capability of working anywhere. Taurus 280 is the only charging station you will ever need.